Join us as we count down our favourite moments of 2025 on The Drive with Rob and Roz.
We're going to try and recreate some of our favourite snacks when we were kids that no longer exist. Tempo chocolate bar has been high on everybody's list. If this doesn't taste delicious, we might have to find a new producer.
Okay.
I'm just saying.
Because it's not like he's doing enough.
No, we'll put producer Wade's entire existence on the line here. Oh, it crunched and it popped in my mouth, and I broke through a biscuity layer, and now there's caramel and chocolate, and I'm deeply happy.
Hierdie is so naby as dit aan 'n vloekwoord hoor.
My mond water behoorlik hier in die kar.
You cannot be nyeh about this, Rob.
We will force him
No, 100.
to put the recipe up on jackarandafm.com so that over the weekend or next week or whenever you need something good in your life again, when you want to feel the joy of childhood one more time, these are the treats for you.
This is witchcraft.
Ek sal my linker nier gee om net te kan proe wat julle nou proe.